Take command of the road in the 2016 Toyota Tundra. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this is a technologically advanced vehicle for the sport-inclined driving enthusiast. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split-folding rear seat, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and power windows. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.